So today we had the cooking class with Sammy, and we started off by coming to his farm and we made some lovely soup for our starter. And then
Después, como hicimos tenías varias opciones para elegir y la mayoría eligió pad thai, cocinamos un poco de pad thai como segundo plato y como plato principal main dish.
yes, and then we went into the garden and we saw all the different herbs and spices and plants and vegetables and all the different ingredients that we use today to make our meals, and it was really interesting. And we also got to make a papaya salad as well and our own coconut milk.
Y después elegimos qué tipo de curry queríamos hacer, había entre amarillo, verde y rojo, elegías el que más te gustaba. Hicimos curry y para terminar hicimos sticky rice with mango como dessert. Thank you.
Great. Sammy's farm has got to be the most gorgeous place I've ever been. You walk in to a friendly family-owned business. Come on in, there's beautiful food all laid out, and then look at the scenery. I mean, what better can you get, you know? This is the heart of Thailand, this is Thai tradition, and we're all learning about it.
I can't cook, I've learned how to cook, I'm happy I came here, I definitely recommend it.
Coconuts, beautiful, tasty, fresh. He shows you exactly the process, how it goes. Incredible.
Hold tight, Sammy.
Hold tight,
We love Sammy.
We love Sammy.